Now I am going to tell about the duties of the student. As we know that as a student, we have to work or things that a student must do. We call this as a duties of the student. This is very hard work for the students. As when there is a school, we have to awaken by 5:30 a.m., go to get up to brush, fresh, and go to bath, wear school uniform and eat breakfast and go to school, study things and then come back from school and have lunch and then have rest. Discipline and respect is the most important duties of a student life, and then go to an additional coaching when required. It is hard for a student to follow this, but as students we have to follow this to achieve great jobs. Education is the most powerful weapon in the world which can be used to to change the world. So we should perform these duties in the student life. Thank you.
As a parent have many expectation from his children, uh, and it's and many expectation from his country, and also and the are identify a student has a lot of responsibility on his shoulder. He has also fulfilled of them. He is the future of his country. He should understand the fact from beginning. We shall discuss we shall discuss on some of student duties. The first duty is um, the first duty of a student is a study full on time. uh, he got he got manner and he got manner proper knowledge to give desired result. only only study for only study for got good marks are not important. Only study are also study are also study are also learn by to get knowledge.
Now I am going to tell about the duty of a student. Student life is very hard and hard work is of the children. In this period, children do hard work for his life. In our life, all time living thing has some duty. Like student have many duties such as go for school in morning and play some games. The first duty of a student to follow rule and regulation. Discipline is most important thing in a student life. A student is the period. A student life is the period in which some children go in bad path like by his bad friend, uh, like drinking unwanted substance for his life and health. Most important student life is reading reading book not for result, for knowledge. Knowledge is powerful medium to help to achieve our aim. His most important duty is the build a successful career for himself. A student should have a good character, must be disciplined and obedient. He should friendly and polite with his mates and should be his parent happy. The first and foremost duty of student is study and acquire knowledge.
Student life is very hard, and we will do very hard work in the student life. uh, we will go to school and college or tuitions in the student life. This life is do not return after the age of 30 and 32 years. This life is very important. In this life we will study and decide to become what will you become. uh, Many people aim are doctor, engineer, IITians. This aim was decided in this life. Uh, in the student life, very important thing was discipline. By discipline, we would win every problem and solve all problem of student life. In student life, study is very important. We will study 5 to 6 hours in a day, and all and do all things equally and the equal time. We will make a routine of our life and and discipline is very important parts of the student life. Thank you.
The student life is the best and the most important period of life. Students of today are the citizens of tomorrow. The future hopes of a nation depend on them. Hence, students have to perform some duties in the student life. The first and foremost duty of a student is study hard over and above everything. He is required to go through his books. He has to prepare his daily lesson regularly.
As parents have many expressions from their children. Similarly, every nation extends a lot of a student. They are attentive. A student a lot of responsibility of their shoulders. He had fulfilled all of them. He is future face of the country. He would understand his fact from his beginning. He shall discuss some of his important duties here. The first duty of a student to give full time in study. He would not quit his education in between. His aim would not be obtain marks only but to gain knowledge also. Only proper problems can be desired result. Another duty of a student could not moral values. He should learn discipline, etc. He should be fully loyal of the country. He respected and construction of his country and law and order. He would understand that he is future of the country. The student would not come to bookworm something. He should give time for the social service also. He would spread awareness in society about health, hygiene, education, environment, disputes, calculation, etc. He would manage child labors, experiments, electricity, etc. He would never be supported occupation, library, efforts, cheating, etc. He would raise his voice against every wrong act or incident. Thank you.
There is no person without any duties. Like a student have a lot of duties. The student life is the best time in one's life. It is full of enjoyment. His most important duties to build a successful career for himself.